Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we are bringing you a very special VS GTSR replica which has been built out of a genuine VR GTS. So factory stroker, 5.7 litre stroker, 6-speed manual with a Hydra-Track rear end. This car, so it is a genuine VR GTS, but amazingly converted with all the gear into a high output GTSR replica. Beautiful paint, beautiful trim, like the whole thing is just astonishing actually, how good the detail is on this car. I'll just show you in the engine bay. So this has got the original VR GTS engine in it, which is the 215 kilowatt 5.7 litre stroker, but what's happened is that they have turned it into a high output GTSR. I'll just show you around here. So you've got all the compliance plates for the VR number 148, build number 148 GTS. All your tags are there, and an exceptionally nice condition car, and boy does she go beautifully. Just show you around the car. So you've got the right wheels, you've got the GTSR body kit, the huge rear wing which was used for the race cars, all the carbon fibre, and all in amazing condition. And then incredibly the trim, like everything in this car is GTSR. From the gear knob, the steering wheel's got the yellow stitching everywhere on the carbon fibre. We open it up, you know, it's a really good quality car. Still got the little sticker in the center console, and then it's GTSR number 15. That's what we've got on here. I don't know what's happened to the real number 15, but that's look at that in the back. All genuine interior. I don't know where they found all of this gear, but it is incredible. So for a fraction of the price of a GTSR, you can have this one, and we'll let's turn it on and hear it drive off. Got a lovely burble. Heaps of grunt, and stunning looking car. If you're interested in this GTSR tribute built from a GTS VR, please give Mike Selby at Australian Muscle Car Sales a call, and the car is in our showroom in Sydney in Kingsgrove. Thank you for listening.